Oh shit. Shit. Oh, is that... Hello! When you start talking, then only then do you realise that the mic isn't connected. Hello everyone. Welcome to the first ever Carberra live stream. I have no idea if you can even still hear me. I guess we'll see. It's been a while since I did a stream, so I don't remember anything about anything. It's it's weird, man. Why is the chat hiding some weird comments? Hello, let's go through and see who's here. So we got Rithel, Moonowl, we got HP, we got Hellish, we got Eric. Thank you for the compliment, by the way. I believe that was you. Oh no, the chat's kind of moving quite. Yeah, it was. So what's that? There's something happening next door. I don't know. Seth is here. We got. I don't know if I missed anyone. Yeah, thank you to everyone who showed up. Interestingly enough, when the stream actually started, I had more viewers than I had ever had streaming in my life. The stream hadn't even started yet, so that was quite something. Hello, Emapo. I'm gonna presume that's correct. Well, I'm actually gonna presume that's incorrect because I'm probably awful at everything I do in life. So I'm gonna open VS Code. Then I'm actually going to show the screen. I'm fully aware you can't see anything right now. But I actually need to open a new project. I was going to do a little bit before we actually started the stream, but I didn't have time. So we're doing this. We're literally doing this live. I just realised I can't actually see the chat anymore. I'm so good. Yes, VS Code. I don't use Sublime much anymore. I prefer VS Code, to be honest. I prefer it for bigger projects. Plus, if I do it in VS Code, more people use VS Code. So, hi RDS, how you doing? Just saw your comment. I haven't had the time to reply to it yet, but I will do after the stream is over. I don't know Discord.js. No, I've never worked with it. This is going to be Discord.py. We're playing the music.py series, not music.py. The music bot series, for anyone that didn't know what we're doing. I'll just kind of, again, it's sorted. Music bot. Actually, it should really be Discord music bot, I guess. Discord music bot. Throw that into there. And then we can probably show the screen now. Ta-da! If I do, I think, control that. That zooms it in. Oh, God. There we go, that zooms it in. Cool. So, we literally have absolutely nothing. I have no idea what I'm doing. We are learning how to make a Discord.py bot together. I literally don't have a clue. So, this is going to be fun. Let's read some of the text, because oh my god, the chat is moving quite quickly. Will it work for multiple servers? Probably not. I don't know, actually. I don't know if... I can't imagine it'd be too difficult to convert. What Sublime Text was? Sublime Text and VS Code are both good. I would recommend either. I made a music bot. Neither have I! This would be fun. Yes, you will have a VOD of the entire live stream later, whenever YouTube decides it wants to process it. VS Code and Sublime, but I end up using Sublime more often. I have both. I end up using VS Code more often nowadays, but I do use Sublime. This has become a video after. Yes, there will be a VOD. There will also be the series. We're just planning the series at the moment. Zoom in a bit more, or I'll get some code up on screen and see if that's big enough. But if not, I'll zoom in a bit more. Someone switched to VS Code. Yeah, I did. Don't move so fast. No, I'm gay. We all know now, Seth. I saw it. So I guess we just do a thing. So I'm going to make launcher.py real quick. I'm going to make the file structure first. Okay, so we're going to do, is this big enough? Is this big enough for people? Ignore the fact it's complaining about syntax. I want to see if that's big enough text. Start to write some code, please stop talking. I'm just saying, I have never had this active a chat in a stream before. I'm taking advantage of it. Alright. Does anyone need this bigger, or I think Rithul wants it bigger. Don't actually know how to change the size of VS Code. All I know how to do is that, but I don't know if that's like too big. I don't know like how to change the text size. So it's either this or this. I normally code in this, but that's gonna be way too small for people. Control and play. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm having to do Control and Shift, but that's scaling the whole UI. I don't know how to change the actual font size itself. I know there is a way. So we're gonna do bot, and inside bot, I don't actually know if we're gonna need much of this, but we're gonna have bot and cogs in there like that. I could see on any size, fair enough. We'll leave it like that for now. If enough people start complaining, we'll make it bigger. Fantastic. So we're gonna make our bot. I'm gonna quickly get some template code up so I actually know what I'm doing, just so I'm not spending 18 years faffing around doing any old random stuff, which I'm doing anyway. I'm fully aware I'm already doing that, but you know. Google, what the hell? Okay, the stream preview just went weird for a second. Where the hell? What the hell? I'm sorry, this isn't better organized. I literally was in such a rush to get this going. That graphic that you saw at the start of the thing, I literally just made. My PC does make some fan sound. It is a loud boy. There's nothing I can do about that, unfortunately. Let's see, so we need that branch. Oh my god, do we not get the fucking code? My microphone is a smart point. My microphone is kind of not really designed for this sort of thing. I can probably move it a bit, but I can't move it that much. Noise suppression. I'm getting a better mic soon. So, well, I say soon, I mean September, so hopefully that'll work. Here, is it this we want? No, it's not. It's this, and then this. So, okay, we're gonna make the bot now. So, God, I literally can't have everything on screen at once. That's annoying. Possible for you to go live in Discord as well? Yeah, probably, but I don't really want to. So we're gonna make bots music bite. I should also say as well that I'm using like a properly scuffed keyboard right now. For anyone that doesn't know, my keyboard broke, so I'm having to use a different keyboard, and it's a US layout keyboard on a UK computer. Yeah, it doesn't work so well. But it's fine, it's fine. I'll work it out. GPU and CPU Intel 8750U, I think. Don't know. GPU is a 1050 Ti, 17 likes. Holy shit! Oh, I shouldn't really be swearing. Oh, I can get away with it once or twice. Def in itself, and then I can't actually remember if I need anything in here. Oh god, it's been such a while. So I guess I'm just trying to work out what we need and what we don't through MusicBot. Because again, I've never built one, so this is going to be an experiment. So we'll have the command prefixes, I don't know. That is that for now. Actually, suggest your command prefixes in the chat, and we'll decide a winner. I'll stay here and come up with what we're trying to do thing. Sounds good to me. I use QWERTY. Oh, you're in Vito. Oh, hi. I was not aware of that. Exclamation mark. Not a huge fan of the exclamation mark prefix. It's used way too often. Case in... What was that? Okay. Sensitive equals true. I spelled insensitive wrong. I don't know. And then status, we're not going to worry about status. We're just going to have it run. Exclamation mark, question mark. So exclamation mark or question mark seems to be... Can we do... I can't remember if we could do multiple... I can't remember if we could just pass a list in here. We can have the function, can't we? I'll just have it as... see if that works. I know you can pass a function that returns a list, but yeah. We might add some more stuff in there. So we need our setup. I'm just gonna now do all the stuff we need. So we need the setup, we need the run, pass. I just realised I put in all this in the wrong file as a good start. Yeah, .py and then bot.py, and this needs to go in here. We're using a slightly different file structure from before because I want to. It's a slightly more optimized one, so I'm just using a slightly different one. Alright, see you later, Ethel. Set up. I don't know if we are going to need some cogs, aren't we? So what we could do is we put self.cogs equals. I'I'm just going to copy paste this. We found a better way of loading the cogs, by the way, so that's the thing you can do. We don't want S4 though. We want, what is even the folder? I guess it'd just be bot. Yeah, I think it'd just be that. I think that'll work. And then we need from path and import path, I think, yeah. Oh, I don't have any home and key buttons and it's annoying me. I use home and end so much and it's annoying me I don't have it. Watch along and talk in Discord, fair enough. I'm not actually looking at Discord right now, so. P.S. I don't make bots, so just here to support. Fair enough, my dude. I appreciate you being here nonetheless. Set up for. I was originally gonna have all this done, like this base stuff, but I didn't have time. Simply put, it was. I should be a bit more organised next time. But yeah, it wasn't. Yeah. Perhaps not the best. So it'd be S and then it'd be bot. I think this should work. Bot.cogs.cog, and that should work. With any luck, we'll see. Loaded cog. Cool, and then we'll print setup complete like that. PC doesn't make sense. In what sense does it not make sense? That was accidentally a really awful pun. So setup, we run the setup in the run, and then we print running bot, and then we load in our token at some point. Super.run. I guess we actually need to load the token in. Token and then reconnect equals true. So if you just have new folder data, isn't necessarily the absolute best way of doing it, but it's just the way I'm choosing to. Token.0, and then I'm going to take this off the screen for a second while I grab the token, because I ain't sharing my tokens around. Discord.py, my apps. How is it? Carberra, yeah, we'll just use Carberra for now. Screw it. Copy, which means I'm definitely not sharing the token. So that's saved. Cool. So we need with open. We're not going to bother using AO files. I think this is the only time we're going to need to open a file, so you'll see. I'm also not going to bother working with a database because I don't think we actually need one. We'll see. So I'll just take a swig of my hot chocolate, which isn't so hot anymore, unfortunately. So whether it be should be just data.token, right? Token.0 encoding equals UTF-8. Can't get an error. I should get a ton for PC. It doesn't show the error for a few minutes. Interesting. Hi, Roy Douglas, by the way. Welcome to the stream. Token equals. Oh, we need an as F, don't we? As F in chat. LMAO. Don't actually need to put an F in chat. Don't worry, that should be fine, probably. We'll see. Work it out. If you couldn't tell, we're working most of this out just as we go. How many monitors do you have? I have two. I have my laptop monitor and then I have my TV. So, well, technically I have 0 if you want monitors, but I have my laptop screen and I have my TV. So I have two screens, but if we're talking strictly monitors, I technically don't have any. Just here for 10 minutes because I have to go. No worries, my dude. I appreciate you stopping by for however long you can. Of course, you're not obligated to stay for the entire time. Can never expect anyone to do that. And then we're going to have a async def close as well. That is going to run. We'll do the shutdown sequence later, but just on keyboard interrupt. And then actually we should probably do it now. I'm going to be honest. So this live will be on the channel. Yes, it will be a VOD. When the stream is over, YouTube, it will have to spend a bit of time processing it, but as soon as the processing is done, the VOD will be available. So it shouldn't take any more than about an hour after the stream's done. Sometimes it does take a bit longer. You essentially allow up to 24 hours, but it shouldn't take any more than an hour. It just depends on how quick YouTube actually wants to work with it. First until 15 minutes. I've had mixed experiences with it, but then we're not actually doing anything that requires huge bit rates at the moment. But then we are streaming in 1080p. So all my streams have been in 720p before now. So I don't know, we'll see. So we're going to do a quick shutdown. So I don't know if we're going to need the scheduler. Oh, we can literally just do an await super.close. Print connection to Discord, and we can do a super.close. This close function here, or this close method, sorry, is actually one defined by Discord.py themselves. And it is what is called when you hit Control-C in a terminal. So in Sublime, I don't think you can do this, but in a terminal, so you have like your terminal here, you can hit Control-C to exit the process, or you have it in the CMD or whatever, and this close function runs. So if you overload this, you can actually save your databases and stuff on Control-C keyboard interrupt, which is kind of nice. How long will the stream? About 2 hours max this time. The one on Monday will be more 3 hours, but I don't have as much time today. This will be about 2 hours, I would say. How many projects? Projects of what? I have many projects, but I need to be more specific. Async def on connect. Right, I'm just going to make all the events that we're going to need, and then I'm going to program them afterwards, because that's the way we work. I wasn't expecting this whole stream to be just getting the bot to actually run, but oh well, whatever. It's fine. We're doing it live, literally. This is the one time I can say we're doing it live, and we'll do it live and actually mean it. It's great, I love it. On disconnect, so for so many events. Async def on ready self. Why do I keep? It's not a capital S. God damn it, keyboard. I'm blaming my keyboard. Definitely blaming my keyboard. Coding related stuff. I have quite a few projects at the moment. I'm still working on S4. The rebuild of Carberra is going slowly. It's a cooperative project, and find the time is difficult. Unfortunately, I don't think we need error handling. I don't actually know what errors you can even get on a music bot. I guess we'll see. Args and then quags. You got past that. On command error, self context exception, because of course it works completely differently, because why wouldn't it? So we're using Pilot or MyPy, I actually don't know. We don't shoot that. Just thought. You might as well, you know what, you might as well have this command prefix function here. And then we'll have our process commands. Does that take? That just takes off a message in it here. So we come up here and then we set the command prefix, and then come down here, and then for now I guess we just return this. We'll work on that later. Just commands. Yeah, we don't do that. So many events. My God, I forgot. I keep forgetting how many there are. On message, self, the message, pass. I think that's all of them. Yeah, that is okay. The rest of this is just weird properties and stuff that I applied to S4. Trying to get my bottom line. Oof. Let's do the command prefix, I guess. What is this complaining about? Nothing. Cool. Thanks. Appreciate it, linter. Commands.when mentioned or, and then throw that in there. Because it returns a callable, we need to actually pass bottom message to that callable. It's just cream left in that, literally. Hi guys, if you've seen this, say hi. Hi! Also, WhatsApp message. Well, yeah, I forgot to turn my WhatsApp off. Good start. I'll turn my Steam off as well so I don't get notifications of that. So... oh god, it's totally not rushed, totally not rushed. So the on connect. Let's see. 13 viewers, what the fuck? Okay. That's the last time I look at the numbers. Before I get just completely overwhelmed. If not, we're not going to bother doing the ready system. I cannot be asked. Well, actually, this one we're just doing a print. Connected to Discord. Latency, that'll be good. And then we pass that in there, and then we do. Oh come on, there we go. Milliseconds. Self.latency times 1000, and then the milliseconds in there, and then put a format like that. Cool. Hey, I holder. Is that I holder or I hider? I can't tell. You're making any music commands in this stream? Hopefully. That was the plan. We might not end up getting there. I was originally going to have all this done, ready, just to jump straight into the Lavalink stuff, but just ran out of time, you know. So we'll see. I've actually got to install Lavalink first. I don't know how to do that, so I'm hoping someone will be able to help me. Wink, wink. Yeah. Oops, here's this. Self.client ID equals await self.application. I don't know why I'm doing this. It's only useful if you're doing invite links, which we're not doing. I guess I'll just show off that you can do that. Schedule start. We don't need that. We don't need any of that. Wow, we really don't need any of that, to be completely honest with you. So I guess we'll just have that and then print. What ready? We're not doing any of the on ready stuff that I did before. So your videos taught me how to build Discord bots server. Thanks a ton. Love from Singapore. Thank you very much. Singapore. That's a fancy place, isn't it? Glad I helped. That was an awful thank you, but I do appreciate it, dude, honestly. Error stuff we'll just leave. We'll just raise, and Pilot is inevitably going to complain at me, but oh, it's not, interestingly. Or interesting. Actually, what we'll do instead of we'll just comment those out. For now, and then we'll add error handling later. What are you complaining about? Nothing, okay. CTX, so we create our CTX, await self dot get context. Get context, there we go. Oh, autocomplete is so good. Class equals commands dot context. My fan is going mad. My computer's decided it's going to breathe. CTX.command is not none. Then await self.invoke. I just realised the only reason we have this normally is because of already stuff, but it's good to have it there anyway, to be honest. And then the on message, if not message.author.bot, await self.process commands message. That should give it lemonade. Oh god. Yes, I'm sure my computer would love the sweet toast lemonade, especially because I don't. Will that run? No, it won't, because we need to edit this. So this is wrong. Not that. From, I guess, from oh, I just realised I kind of messed it up. I think that should work. We could just do relative imports. It's fine. There you go. That does actually work. How does that work? Yeah. That's it. Oh no, it totally doesn't work. Attentive relative. Okay, that's not working. Fine. Guess we'll just have a. I guess we'll just have a lib. Whatever. Doesn't matter. It's okay. Everything's fine. Everything is okay. I don't really want to have a lib. Oh, I don't want to have a lib. I'll do that as well. Hopefully again 1K subs by the end of August. That's very opportunistic. Not opportunistic, optimistic, that's the one. But it would be nice. I only just hit 500, but I hit a lot of goals recently. I have to actually check Social Blade, see when it thinks I'm going to hit 1,000. So why is that? Why is it attempted? Or is it just from bot? Is it just that? It's just that I'm actually dumb. Ignore me. If I oh, okay. Well, those two kind of really satiate cells. So in theory, this should work. No, I actually have like a main there, and then def main, and then mute or bot equals music bot, and then bot will run. See if that works. I guess. And it got multiple values for command prefix. Interesting. I don't quite know how that happened. Oh, actually, just line 100 hides this method. Have I done that wrong? I don't think I've done that wrong, have I? No, that is right. Wait, I've never had that error before. That's right, isn't it? Have the command prefix there, and then have it. So why is it complaining? Is it Pylint? What linter? We're using Pylint. Multiple values for the. How did it get multiple values for the argument command prefix? I don't understand. Is it the fact that I'm passing a listing? Is that what's it shouldn't be causing the issue, but I think that's what it is. Hold on. Let me just try without this list for a second. I'm fully aware that shouldn't be causing any problems, but I don't know what's going on. No, that's not the problem. You're allowed to have multiple values to the prefix. Yeah, you are. What I did was I copied some code, or I ported some code over, I suppose, that I'd already had. So in theory, this problem shouldn't be occurring. But then I did use a different linter, so I might have to install MyPy and see if that still complains at me. But then it's actually giving me an actual error. So I don't know what's happening. Oh my god. Oh! I'm actually dumb. That doesn't need to be there. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm actually retarded. Okay, we're fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. We can ignore that happened. You didn't see that. That totally did not happen live on the internet. As you can see, we do have the bot running. What a latency, by the way. I forgot to add some formatting to that. But yeah, the bot is running. So it works. Cool. We can now start doing other stuff. Can make updated Twitch bot. Yes, at some point. I just can't tell you when, really. I have other projects I want to do first. So, to be fair, it was a bit outdated when I made it, but we don't really talk about that. As it doesn't have Python 3.8. It doesn't run on Raspberry Pi, it doesn't have Python 3.8. Well, that's more a problem with the Raspberry Pi being weird. But yeah, the series is outdated and I do need to make a new one. I just don't know when that's going to be, unfortunately. Sorry, I cannot be more helpful. We've still got a problem. Okay, it's just the linter being crap. How do I install MyPy? Can I just do it from here? I can. MyPy not found. Please install MyPy else. Well, I can't do that apparently. Oh, God's sake. What if I restart VS Code? Maybe that'll fix it. MyPy's not found. What is MyPy? I don't know. Python. Oh, you have to use a virtual env for MyPy? Oh, screw it then. Alright, see you later, Eric. Thank you for stopping by. Appreciate it. We're just going to deliver that error because Pylint is awful and we need a virtual environment for MyPy apparently. And I don't want to have to explain virtual environments to people that don't know how to program, because there are going to be, not that I'm saying that no one here knows how to program, but there are going to be people watching the series that don't know how to program, that I'm not going to spend time explaining it to. The bot runs, that's all that matters. Okay, fine. Music.py, let's go. So, we need to install Lavalink at this point, I'm pretty sure. Hi Majid, how are you doing? Welcome to the stream. If you do, oh, Danny's not here. If you just go into the bot zone and do, I think it's tag Lavalink, we'll get some instructions. Oh my god. What is it? Is it install Lavalink? Install Python. What is the tag for Lavalink? Seriously. Is it just tag music? Oh, it's just tag music. Okay, interesting. Need Lavalink jar from here. Okay, then download Java 13. Finally install Wavelink. Okay. And finally install Wavelink. Then more instructions. Nice. That is OpenJDK 13. So we're going to store that in Medallion loads, I guess. I guess I'll just install it here. I hope that works. And then you see, how do I just install it? I'll download all of it. There we go. Save file. There's got to be an easier way of doing this. Yeah, I'm going to use Lavalink. Hey Alex, how you doing? That has to be an easier way of installing Lavalink than that. I'm sorry. Hang on, I'm going to do a bit of research. Install Lavalink. Yeah, it's a freaking PyPy. We could just pip install Lavalink. What? Who wrote that tag? Are they actually like? We'll just see if doing pip install Lavalink works. Terminal. So CMD, launch CMD in the admin. Pip install Lavalink. And then we'll see if that works. I guess. I don't know if we still need other things. Hang on. We're just going to the order for a second. Oh, it works. You need to run the Lavalink app in a CMD. Oh, do you? Okay. I don't know how to do that. This is part of the reason why I did it as a stream, so I could learn. Part of the reason I went into it blind, so everyone could laugh at me. So if anyone knows how the hell to do this, shut Java 13. So I don't, because we did an entirely different installation method. I don't know how much of this we actually need. Run in terminal Java jar. Okay, it should just be that then, in theory. Java jar lavalink.jar, and that should in theory work. Maybe, no. Okay, apparently we don't have Java installed. I thought I shouldn't see it here. Might be AFK. Yeah, probably. So I think, right, so my guess is that we need Java 13. We do actually need those binaries. It's this one for JDK. And just hope this is like a setup rather than anything. Don't run that in the terminal. Well, I don't know, do I? I'm just following the instructions that someone gave me. Bin, I presume. Oh god. What do I do with this? Oh, java.exe. I presume I run that to add the path and all the stuff. Then open CMD and admin to do that. Java. Okay. Admin. So you know what, I don't know why I've got two CMDs open. We're going to follow the instructions in this thing to a T and see if this works. I'm convinced it's not the easiest way of doing it. Well, do not. I am going to install discord.py with the voice components. God, there's even more stuff. God. You need Lavalink jar. We have both of those installed. Finally install Wavelink. Okay. Pip install Wavelink. Let's do it, admin. Extract Java 13 and put lavalink.jar inside the bin folder. Okay. So extracts. Oh, so we do actually need the file then. Lavalink. Why am I just doing this in my downloads? I feel as though I shouldn't just be doing this in the downloads. In the bin folder. After this, Lavalink should be. Oh, hang on. Create a text file called application.yml and put this as content. Okay. So many bit.ly links. Oh god, that's a huge amount of text. Just copy that. So I presume just in that same directory. Don't necessarily know why you put it here, but okay. Application, and then just put that in there. So for anyone wondering, we're just putting this in here. And then it needs to be a YML. Yes, I do want to change the application extension. So you're past that bin, I think. Well, we will see. CD or drag the bin folder to your terminal of choice. PowerShell on Windows. Okay, so we could kind of have this anywhere, I think. So it doesn't really matter where we put this, I guess. Because I don't know where to actually put it. I know we put stuff like this in program files, but I don't think that's going to work out so well. We're just going to put it in the bot directory for now, and then I'll work that bit out later. Programs, Discord Music Bot. We're just going to put that like here. And pray. So /Lavalink. Okay, that's not what I want. There we go. Oh, it'd be Java. Okay, it'd be Java jar /Lavalink. Oh god. Okay, Lavalink.jar. I didn't do anything. Java is not recognized. Cool. Did I miss a step? I'm presuming I need to run like the setup for Java. So give me a second. JDK. I'm gonna presume it's like here. It doesn't mention anything about a setup, so I just assume you have to do it. Clipboard is broken. Oof. It's glitched. That's a big rip. I'm gonna assume we have to like install it. Maybe. No. Java W. Is that any more effective? Nope. Usually what I see do is admin have Lavalink been in the path. Yeah, I'll see if I can just do that. I suppose. Let's see, where are we? Copy path. And then it'd be. I just can't remember what. Lavalink build artifacts. OpenJDK. Oh, it was completely the wrong path I was putting it to. Oh, hang on. We might as well just put the full path in. Lavalink. Is it here? No, it's not that one. It's. I presume it's this folder here. Copy path. And then java.jar lavalink.jar. Okay, that did actually work. It was just that I had to run it in a CMD terminal. I have a horrible feeling I do actually need the Lavalink library anyway. I did it! It did the thing! Is that running now? I guess that's just running. Start launcher in 3.874 seconds. Yeah, I presume that's just running. Okay, so we can now actually do our thing. Cool. Ask this Lavalink should be running. Find a quick example on the README. Okay. So I guess we'll just look at this and see how it's generally done. Wavelink. So I guess. Oh my god. Okay. Does it have a specific file that the example is in that I just... Example on the README, okay. Ah, there it is. Oh, it even has a Discord bot example, nice. So, for anyone wondering, this is the example I've currently got. So we're going to be doing this bit. So, I guess we need to import Wavelink. Import, yeah, we're gonna import Discord, import Wavelink from Discord.ext imports commands class music commands .cog def in itself. But I did this so many times in the series. It's actually kind of unreal. Def setup bot bot.add cog cog music bot. Okay, cool. Sorry, look, could you explain cogs to me real quick? Cogs are extensions, I guess. So this, I guess you could think of a cog as a subset of bot. It can have listeners, it can have examples. It's just a way of separating code out. So I did a video on cogs that will probably explain it a bit better than I can do right now. Haven't ever used cogs. I would recommend it. Personally, cogs are the superior form of transport. Can I get it? I can get README on a whole screen. Okay, cool. It's just the files. It's just none of the files. Like files like 6,000 lines. Ooh, goodness. Should watch the vid since I've never used cogs. I think it's episode 9. It's either episode 9 or 10. I think it's 9. But I never used to use cogs for the longest time, and I started using cogs and my life changed. So honestly, it's worth it. If not Hazatra bots, and that's an interesting line. Just a lot better Sigify here, literally. So, if not, it's actually checking if it already has a Hazatra. Why is it bothering to do that? Surely it's never going to be a problem. Self. Why does it do stuff with a bot.wavelink? Is there like any... Eh? Okay, I don't understand why it's doing that. I'm just going to do self.wavelink. Equals wavelink.client bot equals self.bot. Alright, so we can actually, we don't even need to do that, we can just do bot equals bot. Self.bot.loop.create task. What the heck? Self start nodes. Alright, I presume we do need that. Self.bot.loop. The loops, brother. Is that how it went? I don't know how the meme went. I always come in so late on memes. Self.start nodes. Is that a thing? I don't know where start nodes is coming from. Oh, I think we make it. We do make it. Okay, that works. So you can make HTML tutorials. I suck HTML. I really do. At some point, maybe I do plan to build a Carberra website. So that would be me literally learning how to make a website. But every time I've tried to do web development, it sucks. So don't count on it anytime soon, unfortunately. We'll see though, at some point maybe. But yeah, it's probably not best I teach you that. Await self.bot.wait until ready. So initiate on nodes, for example. This example we use one server. Region should be Discord.py guild region. Okay. We're just using one server. Interesting. Play around with CSS and HTML, somehow I get somewhere. Yeah, I don't. It's also torture. I hate it. Self.wavelink. .initiate node. I mean, I can see. I think I actually deleted the repository now. But there was a repository for a while that I had that was a website I built for a university project. And it sucked big time. It was awful. I still got a decent mark for it, despite the fact there was literally a part in the JavaScript where we had to build like a shopping cart. So the shopping cart, we didn't have to build it, but it was one of the recommended things to do. And I couldn't work out how to get it to store the items and that. So basically what I did was I had each button mapped to like a particular value, and then on adding the item, it added one to the number of items, and it added the price, and on taking away it took one off the number of items and it took off the price, but it didn't account for the actual items itself. So you just got these really broken calculations, and thank God that wasn't found. Well, maybe it was, I don't know. I mean, the guy was a web designer and my website looked very pretty. So I don't know. But yeah, it was a disaster. So yeah, I would not recommend having me teach you how to do this, because I need teaching myself. I'll just see if Syntax has an HTML tutorial. I know I had a JS tutorial, so I should really look at those. At least you tempted. Oh god, I had to. It was very much a had to thing. But yeah, password you should not. I really don't know if I should be sharing this password, but I guess we'll see. Identify equals test. I'm just copying the code. Guess we both. Yeah. I'm more a Python guy, really. I do really need to learn. Like, I want to learn web development, but every time I try, it sucks. Teach CGI programming. See if we have to do print.type. Yeah, it's just like not fun. Sucks a lot at Django or Flask. I've used Django in the past. It was honestly Django. I had to build another website for a different project, and honestly, Django and Bootstrap saved my life. Honestly, if I build a website, probably with Django. I don't know. We'll see. Can't imagine it wouldn't be, but yeah, Bootstrap saved my life. Although I'm probably going to materialize next time. Pass. It's what it is in the example. It's been an hour. Oh my god, it actually has, and we got basically nowhere. No, we've installed Lavalink. We've installed Lavalink. We made up, but we've installed Lavalink, and we're doing stuff. I'm just now high pitched apparently. All the examples not using PEP8. Oh, there it is. The example not using PEP8. Oh my god, it's absolute sacrilege. Why would you not use PEP8? Shaking my damn head. Shaking my damn head. Gotta go in some minutes. No worries, my dude. I just appreciate you showing up. What should we do if channel is not on? Is more Pepe. You never have to stay the whole time. It's only if you have to go, you have to go. I'm not one of those people that's like fucking stay. Again, I should stop swearing. It's fine. It's fine. This channel isn't for children, YouTube. Don't demonetize me. Or fine me £32,000. Don't demonetize me, I'm not even monetized yet because I don't have enough subscribers. Hella rip. Oh, that's how you get the voice channel, okay. That's actually easier than I thought. Right, some of the code I just lost on my brain cells, so I copied and pasted. Welcome to the world of programming, my friends. The world where half the problem is, well, half of programming is working out what to do. Well, actually, no. Half of programming is working out what you need to Google, and the other half is copy pasting what you need from Stack Overflow. That is just all of programming. Discord. Why are we raising a standard Discord exception? Surely there's a more specific exception we can raise. I'm gonna create my own. Screw it. Class. No voice channel. Discord. Discord exception. And then in itself, whoops, self message. I think it's message. I actually don't know. Super dot init. I actually don't know if that'll work. I think that'll work. We'll see, I suppose. No voice channel. And then no voice channel to join. I guess really we could just define a message in here, actually, come to think of it. We'll just have that for now. Just until we know it works. We'll see if that bit works, I actually don't know. Okay. So you need a player object. Self.wavelink.getPlayer. Ready player one. Guild.id. It takes an ID? I thought we would have taken the guild, surely. Okay, never mind. There's got to be some reason for that. Oh wait, ctx.send. We're just going to use like the default messages for now. I'll work out some other messages later. Connecting to channel.name. And then await player.connect channel.id. Okay. In theory, I'm actually going to make sure that works, because in theory that should now work. We don't need that anymore. So, whoa, what happened to my voice there? Goodness. Voice channel, Lavalink. I'm going to do this anyway. So I go in here and I do, not that, I forgot, what the hell did I set the command prefix to? I think it was this. Oh, the command prefix doesn't actually work. Nice. Integral command prefix list must contain only strings, not a list. Oh, I think these have to be passed through a separate argument. I don't think you pass that through as a list. Object is an attribute name. Non-type. Oh, it's a non. Oh, wait, what? Hang on. I just thought, why is it asking for a channel? Channel equals. Oh, if channel is not none. Oh, if channel is none. Oopsie daisies. Channel equals CTX set attribute error. Yeah, I can't just do ctx.auto.voice.channel or that. I guess I could. It'd be cleaner anyway. I'll just do that. Oopsie daisies. The channel equals channel or, and then that should now work again. I don't understand why you'd need a like to have that. Oh my god, it worked! We did it! We did a thing! Okay, so that's a start. That is a start. Nice. So, oh my god, look at all so many tabs! So many tabs! Holy crap. I don't need like most of these anymore. Do I need that? I do need that one. Well, thank you. So now we actually need to get it to play music. We might be done in like one video, one stream. What? We've got like an hour left and we're almost done. Command name. This is actually a lot easier than I expected it to be. I expected it to be an absolute ball ache. Name equals play. I'm actually gonna rename that connect command, and then play def play command self ctx, and then we need a link, I guess. Oh, it's passing it as a query. Fair enough. Make sure you make the bot join, leave, and join a VC, or the sound won't work. Interesting. We'll leave it as it is for now. Because if that's the case, if that's the case that the sound doesn't work immediately, I want to see if I can think of a better workaround than that. But we'll see. We'll see. So tracks. Oh yeah, it's actually just able to get a thing. So await self.wavelink.get tracks. Yeah, that is clearly an error HTTP call. YT search. That's. What was that? Oh, the bot. Oh, I'm still in part of the thing. Oh, it automatically disconnects already. Oh, that's kind of cool. I don't think it did that. I don't even know if the desktop sound is on. I don't know if you can hear like these bling things. Let me. Where the hell is OBS? There it is. It's not. Okay, I'll turn it on. I'm gonna need it on at some point anyway, so you can actually listen to the music when I get it to play. Why are you complaining at me? Checks list unused. Oh, it's saying it's unused. Kind of like join, leave, join. Hope you find a better solution. We could possibly make the bot sleep for 2 seconds, then join. Perhaps we'll see if it might just work. Sometimes it just does. Live radio command. I could probably do that. The series is looking to be a bit shorter than expected, so I could probably do that. It would be. I imagine it would be just like connect to one of those live radio streams, or just have. Well, in theory, you could just have a list of search terms stored in a database that the bot just consistently searches. Because I was actually thinking of making a music bot that was like a radio station thing, where people could suggest songs, and then the bot would like choose one of the suggestions and play that, and then it would just keep going through the suggestions. I was thinking of doing that. It never happened in the end. Mainly because S4 isn't done. But yeah, I'll have a look into that for sure. We'll see how many videos the series is going to be, because at this rate it's only going to be like 2 or 3. I was expected to be maybe a bit longer than that, but never mind. Alright, what am I doing? It's invoke? No, it's not. It's send. I'm looking at the wrong bit. So we could probably think of a better search algorithm. Search did not return any results. We could probably think of a better search, but for now we'll just do that. I just want the thing to work. Self.wavelink.getPlayer. So we're getting the player again. I guess we need to. Guild.id. I don't know what I did. Guild_ID there. I don't think that's anywhere in the thing. Interesting. Why are we doing? We can utilize Python 3.8 here. I don't know why I'm not doing that. Makes it so much cleaner. If not, oopsie daisies. If not, Pilot is, oh, it's pissing me off now. I think you could try pausing a radio stream URL. Yeah, that's what I was. That would be the simple way of doing it. But we at Carberra Tutorials do not like to make things easy for ourselves. That'll be those connected there. I didn't update pip. Big rip. Await ctx.invoke self.connect. That's interesting. Where is that? Oh, that's... Wait, what? Okay, so that's connect command. That's a strange way of doing it. I don't really like that way of doing it. We'll work it out later. We'll just make sure it actually works first. There's so many like bonkers like this isn't working. Oh wait, ctx.send added. I love this. Hang on, I love this. They have a string here. They have an F string and then they convert it to a string. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And amazing, perfect code. I don't see anything wrong with that. Added. Apparently, it just says to the queue. I'm gonna put tracks and see if it has. If it just added like end tracks or something. Player.play. Oh, I see what it's doing. It's actually adding the name. We can work on a len later. So that should in theory play stuff. So if you run that, and then if I quickly grab a URL of something that isn't going to get the stream banned, so I'll use this because I use this in my videos all the time, and it's very nice, very nice. So yeah, I don't know how loud this is going to be. It's just like blasting everyone's. Actually, I'm going to put. Can you put that GitHub in the description so I can use that method? I can do, I guess. Hang on, I'll just make sure it works first because the code isn't great. I'm going to optimize the code a little bit, so you might want to wait. I don't know. We'll see. Just do what you want. Connect. Cool. Did everyone hear the ba-doom? Just want to make sure it's actually like the sound is definitely coming through because it might not be. I presume it is. It's not a default one. Well, I can actually test that, can't I? I can just do like. Yeah, it's coming through. Okay. So now we can play, and then this, and then it should work. That's not right. What the? What is this like? What the hell? What was that? That wasn't right. That wasn't the right link. I don't think. Hang on. What? That wasn't the right link. It worked, but it didn't find the right song. Eh? That's bizarre. Why did it not find the right song? What is this? It should be finding. It should be finding this. Hang on. Let me try that again. I'm gonna need the bot from you, HP. Now it found the right thing, and now it's also not playing it. What? What? You gonna... Hello? Okay. It works now. There you go. Hi, Gun Crown. I don't know if that's how your name is appearing on your screen, but it's how it's appearing on mine. Is there an error on the Lavalink CMD? Oh, maybe. Oh. There's a lot of... Wow, that's loud. That's loud in my ears. I don't know if that's loud for anyone else. It's theory, it shouldn't be. What is all this up? It doesn't look as though any errors. Can I do a control? I can do a control find. There's no errors. So it just went weird. Epic music quality. I have no idea what the quality of the music is. It sounds okay on my end. I don't know if it's coming through OBS fine. Fucking love this song. This song is so good. And it's copyright free. It's on the YouTube audio library, which is where I get all my music from. Besides the ones that Jackster makes, because Jackster makes some good songs. Which is the one you heard in the stream intro. So that works. Gotta turn that down a bit more. So yeah, that just straight up works. Okay, well I wasn't expected to get... Yeah, he makes songs! Well, he makes songs for me. I don't know if he makes them public, but I'm allowed to make them public, because he offered to make me... He made me one for the Pie Game series, which has now been delayed. And he made me stream intro one. I'm not sure if you were there for the stream intro, but... Still ask myself... They say a song in NCS still get copyrighted. Oh! Well, I got mine directly from the YouTube audio library. So... he really is. He really is super. Jackster is one heckin' cutie. So it works. Cool. I don't really know what to do now. For the interest, I'm gonna miss the start of the stream. Alright, it's not on YouTube, but well, I'll wait until this song's actually. You know what? We'll just. What we can do, we can do other commands. So we can do like a pause command, a cue command, and stuff like that. That's the sort of stuff we're gonna need. It's in here, and then if I just shut up. Is it gonna stop? Closing connection Discord. Maybe I was gonna say, oh, it's still in the thing. Okay, that's interesting. Let's see if I can find it. Sunday. It's called Sunday Jackster. There we go. Don't know how loud or quiet that is. I think Jackster's song is a bit quieter. No, I'm just stopping the one from the Carberra, stopping the Carberra music. While we do some other... So, I guess the other commands we can do are like a pause. I guess we'll work out how to do that. Pause, async def, pause command, self. I don't know what the volume is like compared to me. I think it's a bit loud. But then I'm always wrong when it comes to volume, so I don't know. Just as long as you can hear me, it's okay. CTX, and then I guess that worked. Async def, stop commands. CTX, Pious. Yeah, he's good, man. He is heckin' good. And then next, and then I guess, should we have a previous? I don't know. Oh, I guess it's like a skip. I guess it would be like skip, and then we can have like an alias in next. Yeah, but this particular song was designed specifically for stream introductions. Why are you complaining at me? Undefine. Oh, it's command. And then skip commands, and then I don't know what else we'd need. We got play, pause, stop, skip. What else do music bots generally tend to have? They generally tend to have a cue, don't they? Cue. QUE. Come on, self. Let's see. I don't actually know if we need any arguments in these things, but I'm not experiencing music bots and using them, so I don't really know what most of them have. I think we can get. How do I get stuff in rhythm? So it'd be in music zone, some section. Is it that? Yeah. So we're just gonna steal some commands from rhythm. Whoa! What the hell happened to Discord? Okay, Discord just restarted. I don't know what happened there. I think I crashed Discord. That was interesting. So yeah, that was Jax's song. I don't know if you want to keep playing music or whether people could just play their own. I don't know. So we got a million. Does SoundCloud command? So just SoundCloud for a song down. Ping the bot's response time. That would be useful to just have. Aliases. Skips, loops, search, stats, donate, LMAO, give me money. Join info, resume settings. I've got settings and stuff. Move in the queue. Oh my god, there's so many commands. I know of Nightbot, I don't really know it. I don't really know too much about it, though. Nightbot isn't needed. What you mean for this? For this chat? No, not right now. I could make a YouTube stream bot, but I don't know. I've never used the YouTube API before. Maybe that would be an interesting stream, perhaps. Making a stream spent making a bot for streams. Go ultra meta. That sounds like a good idea. Actually, I like that. I was going to make a Discord bot that can control Nightbot through Discord. Nightbot has a Discord bot, doesn't it? You'd probably be better off making your own YouTube bot if you wanted to do that. Anyway. Potentially. Yeah, you probably want to make your own YouTube bot. But yeah, that's pretty... Having all these connections and stuff is generally a really good idea. I don't know what... I guess... Well, we need to disconnect. So... Oh, now I've been playing music. I was just commands. Command. I know Jackster's making another one at the moment because he was asking me about like inspirations and stuff. I was suggesting YouTube bot. Were you? Oh. To be fair, I don't know when a series on YouTube bot is going to come. If I do a series at all, but I will do a stream now. I think at the time you suggested it, streams weren't on the cards because the first two streams I did didn't really do so well. This one's been really fun actually. I've enjoyed this one, which is more than I can say for the other two I did. So yeah, we will do more. Actually, yeah, they're good. They're good. They're chill. The chill things, which is always nice. I'm gonna put some more music on. I'm actually dying. Anyone that's watched Michael MJD, this one's for you. I completely accidentally stole this from him. I didn't know he got his stuff off the YouTube audio library either, but apparently he does. So I guess we could just leave it at that for now. I don't want to make anything too complicated. Seek, we don't need that really. Loop queue. We could maybe do a loop. We could do, I think some sort of repeat. I think some sort of like general music player. So we have a play, a pause, a stop, a next, a cue, and then maybe like a repeat one, and then a shuffle. kind of thing. And I think that would probably be fine. People stop. Yeah, so we'll have a next and a previous. So I'll actually have next here. Skip. Cosmic commands easier. They do make commands easier because you can have like different cogs. So say I had this. So say this was part of the bot in the series. So you had all the other cogs in there, and then you have this cog, and then you could just have all the music stuff in this file, and then you can have like all the other stuff in other files. So it just makes file management a lot easier. They are definitely a good thing to get into. If you haven't done them before, I would highly recommend them. I mean, you can do stuff in other files anyway, but if you do that, you don't have to control the bot through the main file, and that can get really awkward. So previous, and I don't know, like last. And then we have like I don't know if this is like too many commands, but I kind of want to just have like a just a standard music player in a way. This will give us more stuff to do in streams as well. Self CTX and then type, and then that could be a string. So that can either be, well, I don't know if you could use typing to like force. I guess you could like use assert. I don't know. We'll work that out later. And then kind of like a shuffle. Oh no, we don't actually do that. How do you even scroll through lines? Yeah, literally, it's like 6,000. I mean, even like I made a game that was one file, and that was 2,000 lines. So how the hell did you get 6,000 lines? And that was a whole game. It's terrible, yeah, but it was a whole game. In all fairness, you could just use Control F, but like it's just so unmanageable at that point. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to start doing some debugging, and we're going to print the output of tracks. Or should we do a better search command first? Well, we're going to output what tracks is first. We're just gonna use this one link for the whole thing because it's just easier just to have one. Come on! Oh my god! Can you actually copy paste it, please? Thank you. Whoops! I just played so much random YouTube video. So the bot, hang on, the bot has this weird bug at the moment where it plays the track and then it plays something on top of it. You play twice. That shouldn't in theory have a problem. That shouldn't in theory cause the problem because it was in the same command. So it's found like 1 million of them. Look at the ones it's found. I'm presuming this is just all the ones it's found. Print tracks 0. Okay. So we're gonna see if we can get. See what variables we get. Never experienced that weird Lavalink. I don't know what it's doing. I don't know if I'm running Lavalink twice or something. Because it's always playing the correct one, and then it's playing something else on top of it. I don't know how it's even doing that. I can't join the voice channel anymore. Are we back? Are we back? Are we back? I think we might be back. Isn't back yet. It's back! Hey! I don't know what happened there. OBS had a shit. I think. I don't know what happened. I think we're on the same stream. We should be. According to OBS we are, and according to YouTube we are. That'll be an interesting one in the VOD. If you're watching the VOD and there was just this random cut, the stream disconnected. I don't know why. The internet seemed to be fine. Discord and OBS just both completely crashed. So I don't know what that was about. Lavalink doesn't appear to have been affected. Okay. That was weird. So if you do this again... It's doing it right. Unless it's playing it twice. Play guild ID. The internet is holding itself really well. Wait, I just thought, why in the world am I using the US Central voice region? That's not the right one. Be Europe, I think. This is the European server. Yeah, Europe. So I think the voice region Europe works. Probably. So we do have the title. So we have the author. We have the duration. We have the length, the title, the thumbnail, and the URL. That loop is already closed. Oh, that went wrong. So we have an amount of stuff we can use. So we can do. I guess we can make an embed out of this. So embed equals discord.embed, and this might be the last thing we do. We'll see. Title equals so I guess it'd be track 0 dot title. And we got, what else have we got? I don't know what I want in the description, what I want elsewhere. I guess we can then just do our fields, or maybe like the URL or something. I don't know. Hey Omar, how you doing? Watching a tutorial for embeds and this bloke was making the most weirdest gold. Yeah, some people do it weirdly. What I tend to do is I tend to build an embed builder, but we're not going to do that right now. I guess description, I don't know if we want anything in description. I guess just do fields. And then just work it out from there, I guess. This isn't the final product, so we can just do a thing. Fields equals, and we're gonna have our standard fields. So we're gonna have name, value, inline. And we're gonna have name, author, value, tracks 0, the author, and the inline is going to be false. We'll have it all false for now. We'll make it prettier. Also, if you don't want to put something in an embed, go to a website. It's called Invisible Learner. Yeah, it's just, I think it's /u200b. and you'll get it. Duration, I guess we can have the duration. We're just gonna make just this crappy embed for now, and then we are gonna make it prettier later. Thanks. Info, I don't know what info is. It's dead. Length. Wait, is it duration and length? What's the difference? Query. Well, one of them is clearly how far through the song we are, and one of them is how long the song is, which is annoying. I guess that'll do. I'll do for now. For name value inline in fields embed.add field name value in line Fantasimodo, and then we should have why what are you complaining about? Too many positional arguments. Oh yeah, name equals name, value equals value, inline equals inline. Oh my god. Oh, my nose. Oh, it'd be nice if you worked on those. That'd be great. Because embed, and then we should get that, I suppose. I'm tempted to do like a debug thing, where we just output like all the tracks it finds. 241,000. That's all it's got for me. So I'm guessing the duration is the number of milliseconds. I'm going to summarize, and then the length I presume is a string representation of that. Perfect. When I first found this song, I actually listened to it so much. Oh my god! So we're going to change this to length, and then length. You know, we're gonna sort the song up as well. I think I'm gonna go quickly find a different song. What songs have I got here? Sunday Skate and Golden Gate's good. Cool, just gave us a link straight up. That was nice of it. Oh, where's my mouse? There it is. And then we are going to, once the connection's closed out, there you go. We're going to restart. And we're going to do a play. Oh my god! Okay, well that's what you get if you don't actually click on the video to begin with. Stupid Google redirects are really annoying. So it should be this. No, it's not. Jim Harbour, the time is now. Where did that come from? Where did that come from? What is this? Royalty free music, no copyright music. Jim Harbour, the time is now. Or Cole Adams. Why is this search so awful? Is it just me? What? Okay. Alright, what we're doing, we're not actually going to play any tracks. We're literally going to... Oh, you know why? Is it just that it does it in a weird order? For track and track, you can probably see what we're going to do. Is this recommended? No, probably not. Oh well. For tracking tracks, we're just going to go through them all and see what the hell it finds. Because what the hell? Tracks dot tile, and then I think that's all of them. It always happened to me. I think we're going to need to create a custom search algorithm because the one that comes built with the bot is awful. So we're going to search the same link and we're going to see all the results it comes up with. Or not apparently. No voice channel to join. Oh, that actually worked though. Nice. No, because I'm not in a voice channel at the moment. I like it. I'm genuinely a bit surprised the error worked. Okay, so it comes up third. What is used to search query instead of link? It makes us select some from 1 to 10. Yeah, I'm gonna. Whoa, it's still. Oh, it's still going. Holy crap. Okay, stop, stop, stop. Stop, stop. The thing is, what I don't get is I give it a link. I give it a link to a YouTube video, yeah, and it comes up with all this that it could be. I give it a link to a unique video, one unique video, not a search query, one, and it comes up with all this. Someone painted their dad's phone. You know, we've got a tutorial on installing a dash cam on a Mercedes-Benz GLC 300. That is the most specific tutorial I've ever seen. We've got a lot of traveling with or without white privilege. That's an interesting one. Cheating and recovery. What the pizza recipe? Pillsbury Crust New Wave Bravo XL Smart Oven Air Fryer. If anyone needs an air fryer, then that video is for you. The first Philly cheesesteak, and you know it's true because it's in all caps. There is a space between letters and a punctuation, and we have 2 exclamation marks and 3 question marks. You know it's legit when I don't know what's going on. I don't get why it doesn't just play the link. I'm gonna save this as like a solution for that. Surely, like, surely, we're not limited to that. We're gonna do some googling together. Like there has to be. Oh, here's the example again. Oh. Our thing locked out. I guess the track. Oh, the raw track info. Okay, so title the identifier. This is just objects and stuff. Just go ahead and use that command for a few interesting videos. I mean, you could potentially just use it as a command for just. I'm bored. Can I have a weird video, please? I would never have heard of. This is not going to help. What is it actually? What command is it? It is get players. Track. Get tracks. So there's got to be. Hang on. There's got to be like the wave object. Client. It's got to be this. Build track. That could work. Get node origin, get player, get tracks, string. A list or track playlist instance of track objects. Could be none if no tracks are found. Initiate node. That's apparently it. Big warning. This build track seems like it would work. It takes tracks a unique base 64 encoded identifier. So what we could do. Can I do in Discord? You can join the server. I don't really take friend requests from people that have just joined, but otherwise it just gets. Otherwise my friend list just gets. And I use it for other things other than YouTube, otherwise I probably would. What we can do, I think, is we can do build track. I'm pretty sure the Discord link is in the description. If it's not, go to https://carberra.xyz/discord. That's not it, it's discord.carberra.xyz. It's the redirection. because the website doesn't exist. Yay! So what we're going to do is, okay, hang on. We're going to see if this works. Build track. Hang on, wait. I'm actually going to like do some copy paste. I'm just going to go back a bit in time, and then I'm going to do some copy pasting. So we're going to copy this. We're going to come down here. We're going to get rid of the first one, and then we're going to move it over. File server is best Discord server for anything Python coding. It's surprisingly, considering I've only got 500 subscribers, it's surprisingly active because I'm currently got 2 subscribers per Discord member at the moment, which is absolutely nuts. It's insane. I don't know how. So we're going to see if we can get just the query in. We might have to format it a bit. I'm thinking this is probably what's going to work. And then the track, and then it should be track.author, track.length, track.title, and then we're gonna actually play it. And I don't think this is gonna work, but well, I don't think this is gonna work as is. But it's worth. Oh my god, I forgot about all this. Play. Oops, we need the actual link. So put that one. Internal server error. Check the identifier, try again. Okay. So it is just looking for it. So we can do HTTPS YouTube /watch. We can do video equals. So we have the link, and then I guess we could just isolate it. No, I'm going to experiment with a bit. This is not going to be the optimal way of doing this for now, but I want to experiment to see if this actually works before like hardcore trying. So you take the ID. Actually, wait, that should in theory just work if we just pass the ID through, and then I'll think of a way to make the list work. Interesting. Build track error. Failed to build track. Status 500. So server error. I love how there isn't a full stop. I love how there isn't a space between the full stop and the rest of the sentence here. No.build track identifier. It's base 64, so surely that would work, or is that not? I'm guessing. What I'm going to guess is that that's not a thing. We can't just do that, which is annoying. Node per region. Player. Tracks. I guess get tracks is like the only way. I need Discord. Noise. It's not working. Alright, we're gonna go for another 10 minutes or so. Maybe a little longer. We're gonna try and figure this out, and then I'll probably end it because I don't have much time left. It's literally just get tracks in it. Alright. I don't know if there's a better way of doing that. I don't know if it's better to do it manually or what. We're gonna have to create some sort of search thing, I guess. Oh god. Alright. In any sense we've got it working. I think in the last 10 minutes we're gonna do a disconnect command. And then that should work. So I guess it would be. I guess it would just literally be await self dot bot dot user. No, it wouldn't be. It would be self be ctx.guild.me.leave voice.leave. I think I don't know. How do I make it leave voice channels? So many tabs open. Holy shit. Voice. Guild.leave, group channel.leave. Okay, that's not quite what I wanted. Disconnect. AHP. Oh, it's voice client.disconnect. Using Firefox. I am using Firefox. Disconnect. I feel, is it the profile? Wait, what? I think the source doc's actually correct. Where is this? It's in the voice client. What's the voice connection? You do not create these, you typically get them from voice channel.connect. Oh, I see. So we've got to do a Wavelink connect, I guess. So I guess it'd be this, and then it'd be disconnect. Thanks, appreciate that. I presume it'd be disconnect, right? That's it. Try up a GX one day. Undefined variable channel. Oh no. Oh, do we need? Hang on. Is it like a Wavelink thing? I'm fine with Firefox, to be fair. So, big if. Disconnect. Disconnect. That's gonna work great. Disconnect. Play. There is a disconnect. We don't need the channel. Nice. So we can just, yeah, it's great. Oh yeah, of course we don't need the channel, do we? The doy. Oh, it's still running. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get the bad snacks link again, because that one actually, oh my god, that one actually works. And then we're gonna do a leave, and then I'm gonna end the stream. Methinks. Sorry, I can't go on a bit longer, but I just don't have the time. This is fun though. We'll definitely do it again. 10 out of 10 would stream again. Stream ends soon. I'm just going to end off with this. And then we're going to test our leave. Boy! Yes! I don't know why I'm so excited about that. We have a basic music bot working. Oh my god, that's actually more than I expected to do in this. We have an actual thing that kind of works. We can connect to a voice channel. We can play a song, whether or not it's the right song. I'll leave the bot running for a bit. Whether or not it's the right song is a different question. But it works, and we can leave the channel, and it works, and it actually works, and it's great. I'm going to change the prefix before you do that. Otherwise it's going to conflict with something. It's going to try and conflict with Danny. I thought did I not turn Discord to D&D? Whoops. Just got someone asking what I'm up to. LMAO. Where's the prefix? Oh, I'm in completely wrong file. Otherwise it's going to conflict with Danny. If you do that. Probably, maybe, I actually don't know. Yeah, that's gonna do it. At this point in the stream, what I would normally do is I'll actually, you know what, I'll play Jax's song again, just as a little outro. What I would normally do is I would go through and list all the people that are in the stream, but there were way too many for that, so I'm not gonna do that. Thanks to Diamond and Mudjed for staying the longest, and thanks to everyone else that came into the chat. This is great. Oh, I'm getting a call to wait. What's the plus? Just realised, yeah, I didn't actually tell you that. Oh, and Invito. Sorry. Invito gets MVP because I forgot about him. Yeah, special. Hey Piranha, you joined just in time for me to end the stream. Sorry about that. Yeah, this is fun. I enjoyed this. We'll do this again on Monday. Give you a short recap. We built a music bot. The VOD will be available hopefully in the next hour. So if you want, you can watch that. It just depends how long it takes you to actually process it. But yeah, I'm genuinely going to end the stream now. This is really fun. We're doing this again Monday at 6:30 UTC, 6:30 PM UTC. So it'll be 7.5 hours after this one started in the day, in terms of the actual day. And we will be continuing with this. We'll be continuing to make this. So yeah. See you later.